The stitch I'm going to show you how to do next is called the Fishbone Stitch. It's my favorite stitch to do for leaves. It gives your leaf a nice definition and a nice center vein. So I'm going to come up at the tip of the leaf, and I'm using 2 strands of DMC floss for this. And I'm just going to make a beginning stitch, kind of like a straight stitch, just to start my leaf. I'm going to come up on the outside of the leaf, and if you're comfortable or you need to draw a center vein, go ahead and draw a center vein. I just kind of eyeball it. So I'm going to make a diagonal stitch. I'm going to cross over my beginning registration stitch, and then I'm going to come up on the other side. It's very important that you crisscross your way all the way down this leaf. And I'm going to come down on the other side, imagining my center vein. I'm going to go diagonal over it. And then I'm going to come up on the right side, right next to that first stitch. And I'm going to come down right next to that first stitch. And you're going to see it start to crisscross. It takes a couple stitches for it to start to take on some definition. The important part is to keep that diagonal direction and to make sure that you're really getting a good cross over that center of the leaf. It helps give it that center vein when you're all done. So I'm going to work my way down the right side, then down the left side, making sure I get a good cross. I like my stitches nice and close together. If you want to give your leaf more of like a palm branch type of feel, you can just space out your stitches so you don't come up so close on the outside of the leaf. You would want to give it a little more space. Again, giving that good cross. And by giving it that diagonal look, it gives your leaf a little bit of definition. I'm just going to work my way right close to that stem. As I do that, I'm still going to cross. I'm just going to make my stitches a little bit shorter in length. And then kind of start to cross all at that same point then. And if you can't get the cross in there, then you can just fill in right next to it, just so that your leaf has some definition right there. I'm going to do one more at the top. And there you go. That's the fishbone stitch.